Hello and welcome to Secret Hub. Today, we're diving deep into the art of writing a captivating blog post. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just starting out, this video will provide you with valuable insights and practical tips to enhance your blog writing skills. So, grab your favorite writing tools, and let's get started. Writing a blog post is more than just putting words on a page. It's about connecting with your audience, providing valuable information, and crafting an engaging narrative. In this video, we'll break down the process into 6 key steps to help you write a stellar blog post. Define your purpose and audience. The first step in writing a blog post is to clearly define your purpose and identify your target audience. Ask yourself, what is the goal of my blog post? What information or value am I providing to my readers? Understanding your purpose will help you focus your content and deliver a message that resonates with your audience. Choose a compelling topic. Now that you have a clear purpose in mind, it's time to choose a compelling topic for your blog post. Look for subjects that are relevant, timely, and align with the interests of your audience. Brainstorm ideas, conduct keyword research, and consider what unique perspective or insights you can bring to the topic. Research and gather information. Once you have your topic, it's crucial to conduct thorough research and gather relevant information. Dive deep into reliable sources, such as articles, books, and credible websites. Take notes, bookmark useful resources, and ensure you have a solid understanding of the subject matter before you start writing. Create a clear structure. A well-structured blog post is easier to read and keeps your audience engaged. Begin by outlining the main sections of your blog post, such as the introduction, body paragraphs, and conclusion. Each section should have a clear purpose and flow seamlessly into the next. Consider using subheadings to break down complex information and make your content more scannable. Write a captivating introduction. The introduction of your blog post is your chance to grab your readers' attention and make them want to keep reading. Start with a hook, such as a compelling question, an intriguing statistic, or a captivating anecdote. Clearly state the purpose of your blog post and let your readers know what they can expect. Craft engaging body paragraphs. The body paragraphs form the heart of your blog post, where you provide valuable information and insights. Each paragraph should focus on a specific point or idea related to your topic. Use examples, anecdotes, and supporting evidence to make your content more engaging and relatable. Remember to use a conversational tone to connect with your readers. Conclude with impact. As you approach the end of your blog post, it's important to leave a lasting impression on your readers. Summarize the key points you discussed in the body paragraphs and reiterate the main message or call to action. Now we'll be discussing the common pitfalls to avoid during blog writing. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just starting out, understanding what to avoid can significantly improve the quality and impact of your blog posts. So, let's dive in and uncover the things you should steer clear of when writing a blog. Let's get started. When it comes to blog writing, it's not just about what you should do, but also about what you should avoid. By steering clear of these common mistakes, you can ensure that your blog posts are engaging, informative, and well received by your audience. Mistake 1. Neglecting proofreading and editing. One of the most crucial mistakes to avoid is neglecting to proofread and edit your blog posts. Failing to review your content can result in grammatical errors, spelling mistakes, and unclear sentences. Always take the time to carefully proofread and edit your work before publishing. It's worth the extra effort to ensure your blog posts are polished and error-free. Mistake 2. Lack of clarity and conciseness. Another common mistake is writing in a way that lacks clarity and conciseness. Avoid using long, convoluted sentences that confuse your readers. Instead, aim for clarity by using simple language and breaking down complex ideas into easily understandable chunks. Be concise and get straight to the point, as this will help your readers grasp your message more effectively. Mistake 3. Ignoring the target audience. Host. It's essential to keep your target audience in mind when writing a blog post. Ignoring your audience's needs, preferences, and interests can result in content that fails to engage them. Take the time to understand your target audience, their demographics, and their pain points. Tailor your content to meet their expectations and provide them with value. Mistake 4. Lack of structure and organization. A blog post without proper structure and organization can confuse and frustrate your readers. Avoid this mistake by creating a clear and logical flow in your content. Use headings, subheadings, and paragraphs to break down your ideas. Make sure each section transitions smoothly into the next, allowing your readers to follow your thoughts easily. Mistake 5. Plagiarism and lack of originality. Plagiarism and lack of originality are serious mistakes to avoid when writing a blog post. Always strive to create unique and authentic content. Avoid copying or paraphrasing someone else's work without proper attribution. Instead, conduct thorough research and provide your own perspective and insights to add value to your readers. Neglecting SEO optimization. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is crucial for increasing the visibility of your blog posts. Neglecting SEO can result in your content not reaching its full potential. Take the time to optimize your blog posts with relevant keywords, meta tags, and descriptive URLs. This will help search engines understand your content and rank it higher in search results.